Question. So how can an Uber driver save taxes? So the first thing is that Uber drivers need to know what their earnings are, because a lot of times I get a lot of clients who come up with who file their own tax returns or come from another accountant, and their earnings are not calculated properly. So that's the first thing, that you need to know what is your actual earning that need to be reported on the tax return. That is number one thing. Number two thing is that there are expenses. There is general expenses, for example, your gas, your insurance, phone, this and that. Those are, everybody is putting all those expenses in. But I see a lot of people who make mistake in calculating the management fees or the fees that Uber or Lyft or any other gig provider deducts. So those fees are very critical, because those are big amounts that we need to report, and that which give us a good amount of deductions in the tax return. So number three, for example, expenses like legal expenses. So for example, if you had a traffic ticket and you hired a lawyer to fight that for you and you won, you can claim that expense in your tax return because it's a legal expense for your business. One of the expenses that I generally see people just ignore or do not know to claim is your 407 ETR or the tolls that you pay. And on top of that, there's camera charges as well. That is a charge, and that is a fee, deductible expense that you can claim on your tax return. And then one other thing is that a lot of accountants would just try to put they will try to do one size fits all kind of approach on Uber drivers. It's not like that. You have to look at each driver as an individual, tax filer. And you also need to know how the business works, how to calculate the mileage, how to calculate the extra mileage, the online mileage, or all those things that need to be taken care of. We are your virtual accountants in Canada. You can visit our website at instaaccountant.com. See you there. Bye.